If you guys are having trouble pumping in gas, like a lot of pressure builds in, like at $3 or like $5 and it stops pumping, sometimes it even spits out like your gas. Most likely it's going to be the carbon canister box that's not letting air ventilate through there. So hopefully this fixes my problem and hopefully I get out a vlog for you guys. There's 3 10mm bolts. I kind of took off one over here. I took off 1, 2, and I gotta take off this one. So loosen it up. And there it is. After you remove those 3 10mm bolts, you're gonna get yourself a nice 13 and loosen these bad boys up right here. Loosen that one. Loosen this one. Oh wait, they do. There's 2, 3. Once you got those 3 bolts freed up, this thing should kind of drop down a bit. Push down and pull out. Ah! That hurt me. Oh, this one's hard. Actually, this one's hard. I need my... It's gonna be a little... there you go. Oh, oh, oh! It's a little bit water from last time I was trying to clean it up. Voila! So the problem with this canister right here, I'm blowing in air through here and it's supposed to come out this outlet right here. If you have restriction, it's most likely this is going to be very dirty. Sometimes you can clean it up, but it's most likely better to get a new one. Why not? Take off these, get a flathead, put it down there and twist it.
You see what my brother got me for Christmas?
Fuck these crabs.
Dope, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, it's a black screen, is that fine?
Yeah.
I won't hit you, right?
Okay.
Hey, Mika, get the fuck up, I told you.
Just like that.
Oh, hey.
Get yourself a nice little clamp. Alright, put your clamp back on. Get these little bolts in there. Start screwing them on. Tighten it. Tighten them, but not too hard, alright guys? Hand tight. These don't need torque specs, so. Alright. Alright. Push it in nice and good. Oh shoot. I think you guys missed it, but you gotta push it in and it's very hard. Here, I'll try to do this one with one hand. But put it in. Oh, that one clipped on pretty good. I think that's gonna be it. We can just put this thing back on. Here. When you put it back on this pan, it goes on a certain way. So make sure you put it on right. And then you get these bolts back in. Pretty fairly easy. Tighten them up. Put some gas and we'll show you if it works. Alright, let's just hope this works. Let's see, guys. A moment of truth. I think we fixed it, guys. Alright. A lot of things going on, so yeah, and I'm gonna record them all, so stay tuned, enjoy the ride, keep with the movement, guys, and stay lit, fam.
Cast me far away, play these little